Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Previously, we've learned how to add and set up a social media bar. Today, we are going to learn how to change our social media bar layout. Let's get started. Click on your social media bar element and on the action bar above, go to All Design Options, this one. On this small window, go to Layout. Here you'll be able to choose your preferred alignment. So you can align it to the left, center, to the right, or justify. And below, you'll also have the option to enable or disable site direction. If you have this disabled, you can choose from whether you'd like it to be displayed from left to right or from right to left. Also, you can go to change orientation on the action bar above, and from here, you can choose to have your social bar displayed horizontally or vertically, which is up to you. And if you'd like to add an animated effect to your social media bar, go to animation on the action bar above and select an animated effect you'd like to use for your social media bar element. You can also add a loop animated effect as well as a scroll animated effect. So feel free to work on your social media bar however you want to. Once you're happy with it, your changes will just automatically be saved in the Harmony Editor. And that's all for today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.